I had a message once from a sister who had come across a hadith in which the Nabi sallallahu alayhi wasallam mentioned that the blood money of a man who is killed accidentally is what? 100 camels. And a woman that is killed accidentally, her blood money is 50 camels. So I have doubt. How can a woman's blood be cheaper than man's blood? And so I have doubt in Islam. Perhaps Islam is a misogynistic religion. This is what her doubt is. We say, sister, relax. There's nothing to be concerned of. In fact, I'll explain it to you, and you will find exactly how just Allah is. And you'll love this explanation. And you'll never have a doubt ever again concerning this matter. What is the solution? When the man dies, his blood money is what? 100 camels. Who does it go to? To his family. That 100 didn't go to him. He didn't benefit. He's dead. It went to the woman. So the woman gets 100 camels. طيب, the woman that dies accidentally, her blood money is what? 50. That 50 goes where? It goes to the male. You see how just that is? Because a woman that perhaps is at home looking after her children doesn't have financial independence. So as a result, she needs a lot more. But the man ideally is the one who's working in society. So he takes 50 camels. خلاص, the matter is done.